Let's get into it, squad. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel for hundreds of workouts and educational content. Today we're doing a 15-minute step HIIT workout for beginners. The goal of this workout is to get you, the beginner, or even somebody who's been in the fitness game for a while, to use the step and a HIIT formula. 1 minute on, 80 to 90% effort, 30 seconds active recovery. We do that for 3 rotations per round. Each round is 5 minutes, and we have 3 rounds in this workout. Round number 1, we kick it off, we get right into it. If you want to make this workout harder, add jumps to your light conditioning pieces, and of course, increase the speed. All right, guys, let's get into it. Round number 1 is going down right now. All right, guys, let's get into this. If you don't have a step, you can do this from the floor until you get one. The first exercise is a lateral side step. Step up, so you're gonna step to the right or left. The outside foot lands, the inside foot goes up on the step. Come back off the step, repeat, move to the opposite side. Let's go right side first, go. Over, up, down, over, up, down, over, up, down. Let's go. Think about a nice strong rhythm here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's what you want to think about, and then that way it allows you to establish your rhythm. Think about driving your arms with you as you work. We're going to do each exercise 3 times. The third set, we amp it up into an elevated portion, into an elevated set. In 5 seconds, we're going for low stance toe taps. In 3, 2, stand in the middle of your step. Little light touch while you're in a squat position on the side of the step. The angle of your knee and hips and torso stays steady, stays constant. All the pressure is on that standing foot. Let's do it again. Lateral step, lateral slide, step up. Let's go. 1 minute. Once again, when you're working this, if you find these, you can handle these a little bit faster, then do that. If you feel like you want to do a little jump while you go on the step, you can jump up a little bit. 30 seconds. Again, if you don't have a step, do it on the floor. We have 10 seconds before we go into your second step or your second set of low stance toe taps. Touch, touch, touch. A nice active recovery. Lateral step with a knee drive. So the foot that lands, the opposite leg comes up and drives the knee. Go. Over, up, knee drive. Over, up, knee drive. Lateral, up, knee drive. Let's go. Nice firm steps. Power up on the step. Drive the knee above your hip. And let's get it done. 40 seconds. If you're listening to your own high-powered music, you can work at the pace of the beats of the music. If it's faster than how we're working here to keep you on rhythm, increase the pace. "10 seconds. And you will sweat with these workouts. These beginner step workouts are still difficult. 3, 2, 1, low stance toe taps. Let's go. So it could be a tap, 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 switch, tap, 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 squat, switch. So if you want more, you can always get more. Your first rest comes up in 5 seconds. Keep working. 2, 1, time. Excellent work. We're going to prepare to get into round number 2 of 3. Remember, it's only 15 minutes. And you're going to do a reverse lunge to power press. So I want you to explode back into a reverse lunge, 1 foot at a time. And as you come up, think about you're doing a bench press through the air aggressively with a strong core, chest, and back, and really power up on this step. The goal here is to give you a nice full body movement pattern with power as you step up on the step, okay? Go for this though, I want power. Left foot first, ready? Go. Left foot down, right foot up. Left foot down, right foot up. Cross the body with your torso, power through the wall. Not really, but you know what I mean. Don't stop at it. Don't stop with this. Drive through. Really extend your hip high off the planted foot as you step on the step. These are great workouts. They work really well. Solid variety in 15 minutes. And rest. Now go into a plank position, so hands on the middle of your step. And same as you did with your foot, just touch to the side now in a plank position. The goal here, pushing your hips through the floor, keeping your chest high away from your wrists, and try to keep your head in the middle of the step as your fingertips lightly touch the floor side to side. 10 seconds. You're going to prep for set number 2. Right foot stays fixed, left foot drives back. Ready? Go. Lunge, power, lunge, power through, lunge, power through, lunge, power through. Let's go. You'll feel the burn in your legs. You'll get your heart rate elevated, of course. If you want to hold 2 or 3 pound weights or even 5s, of course you can. "15 seconds. Try not to stop though. I know the legs are probably on fire. It's all good though. 10 seconds. Your first step workout on the channel for beginners. Let's go. Lateral, hand taps in a plank position. 2, 1, plank position. Head between your fingers. Touch the floor. Less than 10. We're going to split the next set up into 30-30 because you're going to hop up on the step now with that reverse lunge power step. So now you're going to hop up on the step with a little jump. So again, back, hop up and press. Back, hop up and press. Left side is fixed, let's go. The left side comes off the ground when your right foot goes up on the step. Come on, guys. And switch. Let's go. Right foot down. Power up. There you go. Push off the right foot to hop up on the step. Let's get it. That's it. You got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Down to the floor again. Plank position, right hand taps. If you want to make this harder, you go tap to the side and then tap the opposite knee. "10 seconds of round number 2, round number 3. We'll take it home. 2, 1, bring it up. Excellent. Check this out. What you're going to do is you're going to be doing 4 mountain climbers, 4, 1, 2 crossovers, jab, cross, step, crossovers. Then you grab the step, hop back, and you repeat it. So it's 4 mountain climbers, 2, 3, 4 climbers. What you're going to do is hop up to the side of the step, put 1 foot on, and do a crossover. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Let's go. 4 climbers. 2, 3, 4. Hop it up. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands on the step. Hop it back. Let's go. 4 climbers. 2, 3, 4. Hop it up. Foot goes on the step. Jab, cross, jab, cross. Let's get it. Look down a little bit at the edge of the steps so you know where to place your feet. Once you feel comfortable, you can look forward. "10 seconds. If you want to advance it, just get nice high hops across. That's all you got to do. Height will make it feel right. Let's go heel clickers with crunch. Sit on the bench, face away from the middle. Think about you're lifting your legs up and over a 20-pound dumbbell. Bring your chest forward, click your heels together. Let's go. 30 seconds. And again, I want you to click your heels about the same height as your belly button or above. 6, squeeze those abs, hip flexors. 2, let's repeat that first set. 4 climbers, 4 times crossovers. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it up. Cross it over. Jab, cross, hands down. Hop it back. Let's go. Climbers. And keep going, guys. You got this. Again, if you want to do this workout again for a 30-minute workout, just put it on replay. Rewind it. Do what you got to do. And do it for another 15 minutes to get that 30-minute sweat. Less than 30 seconds. At the end, if you want to throw in a push-up on the step or 2 push-ups in a nice close grip push-up position, you can crush those too. Less than 10. We have time for one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Heel clickers. Let's get it. Click the heels up over your belly button. Close the distance between your chest and your quads, your core and your quads. And if you want to just do crunches or bicycles from that seated position, you could do that as well. 10 seconds, guys. Come on, we got this. You got this. In 5 seconds, we're going to do 6s of everything. In 3, 2, 1. 6 climbers, 6 jab crossovers. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. If you want, guys, you can do a little kickback. 2 kickbacks instead of 1. So when you hear it goes, look, 1, 2, then climbers, okay? Six. Let's go. Kick it back. "30 seconds. Finish strong, guys. Finish strong. Stay motivated. It's a fun one. "10 seconds. Could this be your last one? 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Excellent. Let's go. Now we finish with 4 seated bicycles per side here. So let's go right hand, left knee for 4, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2. Make sure you're leaning back on these ones and get a nice strong rotation through your torso. You see my face is a sweaty mess. Love it. Let's go. Right to left. 2, 3, 4. Left to right. 1, 4. Left to right. Left elbow, right knee. Last one. And time. That is your 15-minute step HIIT workout for beginners. And there you go. A 15-minute step HIIT workout for beginners. Again, if you want to increase the intensity, add jumps when you're hooking up the step. Increase your speed when you're doing your workouts. And of course, guys, you can do this workout 2 or 3 times back to back to hit a 30-minute or 40-minute workout. I just released the 30-minute boxing and strength workout playlist at nateBauerElevated.com and on this channel as a member. So if you're either one of those, a subscriber or a member, you'll have access to those awesome high-powered workouts. It's the perfect mix of boxing and strength training. You guys are incredible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you warriors for the next workout.